Hi, my name is Anthony Janello. I'm the founder of SmartWired, and I'm here to discuss some changes that I think would be amazing contributions to the new design you guys are already working on over at MXI for the launch of SmartWired. I discussed all these changes with the show just yesterday, but I'd love to explain them to all of you so you have something to refer back to. Wanted to say, actually, before I jump into this, that I'm really happy with all the progress so far. Everyone at MXI has done a great job with the redesign, and I think with just a few more tweaks to the page as is, we'll have a great site up and running for our launch. So here are the 6 changes. The first one I wanted to talk through is remove vertical lines. This one should be fairly simple, and all I mean is that there are vertical lines on the background of the site. You can see one here, 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 here. It also shows through in the blue background. I don't think it's my screen because if I open up a white background web page, I don't see them anymore. Next change. Add all metrics to homepage search. Here's what I mean by this. When we're looking at the homepage, there are several different metrics users can choose from, and they can search after they enter their preferences. That's great. All I'd like to do is just add more metrics. So the metrics that they should be able to choose from are those on the left-hand side of the product pages. So right now there are 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Eventually there should be even more. So the type, price, discount, screen size, image clarity, and so on and so forth. Number 3. 3 categories, speed, graphics, and image clarity, are missing from the laptops page. Here's what I mean by this. On the laptops page, on the left-hand side, there are several different metrics users can use to filter products. There are 3 missing, however: speed, graphics, and image clarity. These should be easy for you to add because they actually are in the database. So if I go to the dashboard and I click on laptops and I download the Excel file, I see here that these categories do exist: speed, graphics, and image clarity. However, for some reason they were never added to this left-hand side list of filtering options. Monitors, however, is perfect. So on the monitors page, you have everything there. It's just the laptops page, those 3 categories that are already in the database as columns are missing. 4. Horizontal view like Amazon. Here's what I mean by that. If we look at Amazon's page for laptops, they show each laptop as one row. I like this design because it allows them to display a lot of information about each product. And as you'll see, if there are too many products for one page, they give users the option to view additional pages. I'd like SmartWired's pages for laptops and monitors to work the same way. So instead of 4 products in each row, I'd like just 1. That will allow you to display additional information for each product right on this page. So for each row, you'll want to show the image, of course, brand of the laptop, operating system, price, discount, storage, all in a row. Now, how should you display it? Well, that's up to you. Use your design skills and intuition. What I don't want to see is design like Amazon. Something like this all in one text string is really confusing and hard to read. What I'd like is something more organized, maybe different columns for the different attributes. Play around with the design, see what works, and I'll give you some feedback once you have the next version out. But bottom line is one product per row, and at the bottom, if there's too many products, let's say more than 10, you should have pages for product, page 2 of the product results, 3, 4, etc. Next, item description page in a new tab instead of a pop-up. Here's what I mean by this. The way we built the site, whenever a user clicks on a product, there's a pop-up. I really like this, but one suggestion that a show made to me was that if this pops up as a new web page, it'll allow for indexing and search engine optimization on many additional pages. So I like this layout, but let's just make this a new page opening in a new tab instead of a pop-up. 6. Sorting by each metric. So I see that MXI is already working on this. You have a sorting order option. This is great. All we need is a sort by option. And users should be able to sort by anything from brand, price, discount, storage, screen size, and touchscreen, ascending or descending. Now, some of these are numerical. It's pretty easy. If it's brand and a user wants to sort by, just do it alphabetically. But the main thing to remember is I want users to have full control over what they see. They should be able to filter by whatever they want, sort by whatever they want, in whatever direction they want. That rounds out the 6 different changes that I'd love to see for SmartWired's new build. I look forward to seeing the next round of improvements, and thanks so much for your continued hard work.